Hey there and welcome back. So we did the login user function and wrote a lot of code. We did the JVT token and we need to do two things at least now. We need to create this env token secret in our env file, and we also need to connect this login user function to our router. So first off, I think we should go into our env file, and we got the DB host here already. So what we can do is we can type in token secret, and then we could, and you should change this, but we need to type in some secret that we will keep secret from people that is not authorized to see it. So this is something that we use to generate our token. So this is something that should not be in the source code. So token secret, choose something that is more secure than this one. Okay, so we save that, and now we need to go to our routes folder because we need to connect our newly created login user to our routes here. Let's call this login user. All right, so we can see VS Code automatically imported this. So that is pretty nice. Very good. And just to note here that we have not connected these CRUD routes in any way with our tokens, so we can still access these even though that we're not logged in. But we will write the necessary code so that we can protect these routes, sort of like a navigation guard, that we cannot access these routes if we are not logged in. So let's see. Let's go to Postman and let's make a new request. Yes, well, I could also just copy the one, but let's do this. Login existing user. And this will be post also. We still have this URL, user login. All right, so what we need to type in now, we need to have a body, we need to have it in JSON, and if I'm kind of maybe smart, I will just copy this one, and then I just need to remove the name because we only want the email and password, and I think we created, we can just check out if we run this registering. Let's see if we have it. Yes, email already exists. We have the user in our database. So if we try to log in now, let's see what happens. Well, we could, yeah, let's just try to do this. We'll log in first. Oh, it says post for not found, cannot API user login. So did we do something wrong in our router here? Let's have a look. Oh, we forgot a slash. So that is critical. Okay, let's go back to see if it works now. So now we get 200 okay, we get error null, we get the data, we have the user ID specified from the user that is logged in, so the client can use this. We have the token that we get here, so we can exchange the token. And this is in the body. We also have it in the header where we can see auth token, which is the name of our token. Oh, and then we have the same information. So it depends on the client if they access the token from the header or maybe from the JSON body, but the information is there. All right, so the user has logged in. The final thing that we should do is to create the code so that we're able to protect our CRUD routes, so that we're not able to delete anything or create or update if we are not logged in. But we're going to do this in the next videos. Okay, so thanks for watching and hope you make this work. Bye bye.